back of the Dragon. Take a got a Diet Coke too. That's true. Where's that? Probably inside. All right, we got some food in our belly. Everyone get their cameras out. Oh.
It's a dildo.
Oh, how do you sit on it now? Gonna take it easy? All right, guys, so what's going on? We are here at the back of the Dragon. Take a quick little detour before we hit home base for a couple days. So I've never ridden the back of the Dragon. So they have a store, some places to, it's a place to eat, some beer. Let's check out what's inside and let's see what they got. You gonna get something?
Yeah, maybe some stickers. Nice.
They do got some stickers, some pins, patches, magnets. Shirts. Women's section. I like these long sleeves. Rain suits. Drop the Dragon. Pretty cool Dragon. Maybe get it for my daughter. We got food here, the beer's in the back. Pizza and a salad.
It's like we never left New York.
I know.
You gotta take the bad with the good, or the good with the bad.
Well, I got a Diet Coke too.
I thought we'd be having a beef jerky and whiskey shots.
That's true. Where's that? Probably inside.
Nestled in the Appalachian Mountains on Virginia's famed Route 16 lies back of the Dragon. 32 miles of exhilarating windy curves and unparalleled excitement. Spanning from Marion, Virginia to Tazwell, Virginia, riders from around the world unite for the experience of a lifetime.
All right, we got some food in our belly. Now we're gonna hit back of the Dragon. Everyone get their cameras out.
Good shit.
Everyone get their cameras out. Yeah. Oh.
It's a dildo.
Oh, it's a definitely a dildo. I can't reach that high. I mean, how do you sit on it now? I mean, Jose's you could reach. All right, guys, so let's hit this up. I've never been on this road, so I guess we're gonna take it easy. Maybe.
Maybe.